Hi there, Keller Williams family. Brett Bishop here. I am an agent, a tech trainer, and a labs advisor with Keller Williams. And I'm here with a quick video to show you the proper way to share folders for your team or for your office in our new KW Canva experience. You may have noticed recently when you go into Canva and you click on projects that there are folders there from all over the country, and that's because people are not sharing the folders correctly. So I want to show you how to do that so that you're not inadvertently sharing your sensitive information with the entire Keller Williams organization. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Okay, so I'm in my Canva account and I'm going to go over here to projects. And when we're in projects and we scroll down here to folders, this is where we're going to see all of this stuff in here that doesn't belong. So I actually just saw a new one pop up today. If I was to click on this, there's a lot of people in here I don't recognize. Great photos, bunch of good looking people, but I don't know any of them and I shouldn't have access to that. So if I go back to projects, I'm going to create a new folder. So we're going to go up here to add new folder and I'll give it a name. So I'll just say this is MC988 templates because that's my market center number. And then KW Associates right here. I think people are confusing this with having to open this up to be able to share it with agents within their own office. But what they're not realizing is they are sharing this with all 180,000 agents within the company. So that's probably not something that you're intending to do. So we're going to leave this at not shared. And then if we go to share with your team or group, I'm actually going to type in my office number. So Market Center 988. It'll show 37 members, and that means that in my office, there are only 37 people that have actually activated their KW Canva experience. As the other agents activate theirs, they'll just automatically be brought into this folder, and they'll have access to this folder. Okay, and then do I want it on edit or view? I'm going to put this on view because I don't want them to be able to change designs, but you might have a leadership or a real estate team folder that you do want everybody to be able to edit, and then you could put that on edit. So I'm going to put this on view, which means that agents would be able to see the designs that are in there, and they can create a copy of it in their own account that they can then change. Okay, and then I'm going to hit continue. Okay, and now I can see I have MC988 templates. It's set to private. And when I create designs and templates, I can save them to that folder and only the agents in my office will be able to see it. All right, so that should help you set up your folders in the way that you intend for them to be used. And that way we are not cluttering the folders for everybody in the organization. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions, even provide a quick tutorial video like this if it helps you. So get into your KW and Canva experience, get it set up, start making stuff, and remember, as always, have fun and explore the technology.